Good morning, everyone. Mike Moliterno here with the Business Journal. Busy, confusing night. A lot of things happen. We've been working all night to get you the latest updates. So what we know right now is that Dr. Amy Acton, the director of the Ohio Department of Health, has ordered the polls closed for today's primary election. Earlier, Governor Mike DeWine had announced he would try to postpone the election until June 2nd through a request in Franklin County Court. However, that request was denied yesterday by a judge, so then there was confusion. Poll workers and boards of elections weren't sure if they were going to be open or not. Now, in a statement, DeWine said that Ohio Secretary of State Frank LaRose will seek a remedy through the courts to extend voting options so that every voter who wants to vote will be granted that opportunity. The reason that Dr. Acton ordered the polls closed as a public health emergency was that guidance from the Centers for Disease Control advises that you do not gather in groups of 50 or more. In fact, just last night, President Donald Trump advised that people do not gather in groups of 10 or more. It is unsure at this time whether the date to vote will be extended to June 2nd, as was the original plan. You can read more on this in George Nelson's story at businessjournaldaily.com and also on all of our social media channels. As for why the government is so concerned about the virus, Dr. Amy Acton gave some new information yesterday. She said that people can be infectious for up to 14 days before they show symptoms, and that any one person can infect up to 2.28 people. She said that statistics show that the infection doubles every 6 days. She also said that deaths can take up to 4 to 6 weeks from the time of infection. Because of the limited number of tests and protective gear in the state, she says the tests are being limited to at-risk individuals and healthcare workers. The idea is to make sure that healthcare workers are protected so that as sick people come into the hospital, they are able to assist those people. So again, if you are feeling sick, stay home, call your physician. Dr. Acton says that if you are not at risk, if you are not experiencing severe symptoms, they will most likely tell you to self-quarantine. As of Monday, there are 50 Ohioans. 50 Ohioans have tested positive for the virus in 12 counties, with 333 people under health supervision, and 14 have been hospitalized. So keep checking back to businessjournaldaily.com for all the latest local updates. For coronavirus-specific information, we advise that you go to the CDC's website or the Ohio Department of Health's website. Stay calm, stay informed, stay safe.
717 Credit Union. Business services designed to meet your daily needs. Commercial loans, business deposits, merchant and payroll services. 717 Credit Union. It's knowing you were treated right every time.